Hey yo, what's up my dear viewers? So today in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. So let's get right into this video. But wait, we'll first have to know the basic notations. So you're already familiar with the basic notations R, L, U, D, B and F, right? Well, there's some more notations here. As you can see, we got the normal ones, but there's some additional too. Well, in the normal 3x3 Rubik's Cube, there's obviously 3, but now here it's 4. Simple difference. And fun fact, did you know that a 4x4 Rubik's Cube is even known as the Revenge Cube? So now the basic notations are small r, small l, u and d, and f and b. You already know what are the letters meaning. So let's get right into this video and I'll teach you how to solve a 4x4 Rubik's Cube. Okay, so this video will be divided into 5 parts. The centers, the edges, the first layer, the second layer, and the third layer, and finally the parity. The parity means a case which does not apply on the 3x3. Let's start with the centers. Now we have to make the white centers. So as most cubers use the white center, now I have to join them to make bars as shown here. Now we have to make look, we found the second bar. So now we align them to form a center. Now the yellow center is supposed to be here, so we need to find one of the yellow centers. So here we go, and if this breaks it, you just have to keep it over here, and there we go. We made our first yellow bar, and now you find the yellow center, and there we go. Hang on, give me a minute. Hang on. Now this is the algorithm to move your bars up. R, U2, R prime. Okay, so now let's make the other centers. So you have to create the green side and make sure that you have the white center facing upwards and the green center facing you. Now same procedure, make the bars. Looky here, it is a lucky day, and yes, we have got the green center. Now let's create the red center. So like I said, same procedure. So now there we go. Now we have to make the final 2 centers, which is simple. Now we do small d this way and F2 this way, and we align it. So there we go. Now we have to make the edges. Since we already got one edge, now we have to make the pair, so we have to align the edges like this: D, R, U, R prime, U prime, and D prime. Once the top is full, as we can see here, you'll have to flip the cube and repeat the process for the sorry about that, dear viewers. Okay, now I finished with the top row, and now you have to complete the middle row. So there's an algorithm in which we can make both of the pairs if they're on a single line. So this is the algorithm. Like this. Hang on. So it's U prime, R, F prime, U, R prime, F, and finally U. So we got this pair. Now we do for the same on all sides. There we go. If you want to solve with like a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, you can go down in the description below and watch the 3x3 on how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So let's solve it like a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Now we have solved the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. But I'll teach you how to do the parties in another video. So please like, share and subscribe to join the Sakrabara Republic so that we can hit our first 100 subscribers. And wish you all, my dear viewers, a very happy Christmas and Happy New Year. By the way, did you see the clue to the next video?